Hello bodyfangs and welcome to Titan Global Wheel. Die beste rubber wat jy ooit sal aansit. Ja, some sweets you just don't eat with the paper on. Come. You see here at Titan Global Wheel, not only do they manufacture rims for any agricultural, military or groot karretjie nie, they even do die wye LSW rubbertjie. Remember those little dun wheeltjies you got on a tractor on a puller? Precies. Ja, jy gaan vassit in die modder soos 'n chappie in 'n rooi kop laaitjie se hare. So pull yourself towards yourself there and get yourself a LSW. Hierdie ding is dik. Now, have you ever travelled there by the ground pad of 'n tar pad there, and all of a sudden is daar spikes en goed in die pad en daar gat 'n tyre. Sien hy sy gat? Ja. You get all this gel en goed as that you put in. What happens if a tyre climb off 'n rim nie? Jy gaan bytmerke in die teerloks. Now here at Titan Global Wheel, they've come up with something so bloody amazing. Net maak my so excited soos 'n klein rooi kop laaitjie met sproete in 'n sweet shop. Just look at this. You can see that? Now, Titan Global Wheel, it's bloody amazing brains. Okay, they've come up with this huge bloody innovative idea here. This thing clamps onto your rim, steel or aluminium, and you can nog travel for 50 k's. Ja, vat so, ground pad. So brein jy nog goed vroeg, nee. So put yourself towards yourself there and do it right the first time. Okay, go to titanglobalwheels.co.za and sort you out with a rubber and a rim. Kyk die nippeltjies, dik is jy's myne. Oh, sorry. Remember Titan Global Wheels. I had Nampo this year. From 13 to 16 May. So pull in. Come rubber. Okay, thanks.